Hello children, good morning. Welcome to Jayshree Teacher's class. Yay! Today we are going to do what? Tell me what we are going to learn today. Today we are going to talk about the Independence Day. Yes, we are going to learn about Independence Day. But before that we are going to do quick warm up. Come on, ready? Dance like a peacock, dance, dance, dance. Come on children, dance like a peacock, dance, dance, dance. Dance like a peacock, dance, dance, dance. Swim like a dolphin, swim, swim, swim. Swim like a dolphin, swim, swim, swim. Swim like a dolphin, swim, swim, swim. Roar like a tiger, roar, roar, roar. Roar like a tiger, roar, roar, roar. Let's have fun together. Let's have fun together. Yay! Come on, now teacher will tell you something about our country. Do you know what is the name of our country? Come on, tell me children. What is the name of our country? What is the name of our country? Yes, name of our country is India. India is our country and we should respect our country. We are all Indians. We all live in India and we are all Indians. Where do you live? I live in India and I am an Indian. I live in India and I am an Indian. And who is the president of our country? Who is the president of our country? Yes, Shri Ramnath Kovind is our president of India. Children, repeat. Shri Ramnath Kovind is president of India. And tell me, who is the Prime Minister of India? Shri Narendra Modi is Prime Minister of India. Come on children, repeat after teacher. Shri Narendra Modi is Prime Minister of India. And now teacher will tell you about our national festival that is going to come. That is Independence Day. India celebrates our Independence Day on 15th August each year. India celebrates Independence Day on 15th August each year. India is also called as Hindustan. India is also called as Hindustan and it is also known as Bharat. Bharat Mata ki Jai. सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा. सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा. Yes, you all know this song. Very good children. Well done. Independence Day is our national festival and on this day we hoist the flag at various places like offices, schools and at Red Fort in Delhi. It is a big celebration and it is very proud moment because we became free by the British rule. Okay children, now children we are going to learn about our national flag. Our national flag is called tricolor and it has three colors. It has three colors. See, this is our national flag and national flag is called Tiranga. Come on, say. Our national flag is called Tiranga and it has three colors. It has three colors. One first band is saffron color, second band is white color and third band is green color and the wheel between white band. The middle of the white color is wheel. It is called as Dharma Chakra. It is also called as Ashoka Chakra. So we celebrate this day as Independence Day. Children, now come on, we will sing a song on our national flag. Come on. I look at the flag and what do I see? A nation so great, a country free, saffron at the top, down below green, blue will on white, in between. I salute the flag and I feel so proud. My country, my people and whole big crowd. I look at my flag and what do I see? A nation so great and country free. Come on, one more time. Come on, let's children. We'll sing this song one more time. And this time you all sing along with the teacher. Come on. I look at the flag and what do I see? A nation so great, a country free, saffron at the top, down below green, blue will on the white, in between. I salute the flag and I feel so proud. My country, my people and whole big crowd. I look at the flag and what do I see? A nation so great, a country free. Yay children! Did you all enjoy this song? Hope you will learn this song and you will sing at home. So 15th August we got our freedom. So we celebrate our Independence Day. We got the freedom from British rule. So we are celebrating our Independence Day on 15th of August. Okay children, you all understood the importance of our Independence Day. Now we are going to move to our activity. Children, we are going to make today magnet, fridge magnet. Okay children, with the colorful papers, orange, green and white. I have taken 3 colors and today I am going to show you with the newspaper. Okay children, see, I have taken the strip of one newspaper and now I am going to color the newspaper strip with the orange color. Okay, so we are going to make the orange magnet now. Okay, so come on, we'll color it. Okay children, we will color this orange color here. Orange is for strength and courage. Orange color stands for strength and courage. Children, you take the help of your parent for doing this activity and you all enjoy your activity. Okay children, see, you have to color like this full strip. See children, now this newspaper strip is colored. Okay, see, we have colored with the orange color. Now we have to make the paper true and fourth. And how we are making the fan, like that you have to make this strip true and fro and you have to roll like this. Okay children, so you have to roll the paper like this. See here how teacher is doing, to and fro. Here our full till the end you have to roll the paper like this. See now our paper is ready. Now we have to open the paper and at the edge you have to apply the Fevicol. Okay, apply here Fevicol and stick it. Okay, see, our flower is ready. Now children, I have taken this waste cardboard, so it will get the base for the flower. Okay children, so you have to stick at the back of this flower. So our paper flower is ready. See children, if you don't have colorful paper, you can make colorful paper with the crayons. And now children, see here, teacher has taken this circle glitter paper, and we can stick this anything, whatever available with you. You can stick beads, you can stick stones, you can stick anything, simple paper. Okay, you can stick your own photo on this flower. Okay, so our this paper, orange color paper flower is ready. And teacher has made like this green color also, and now teacher is going to stick the magnet back side, so we can stick this magnet flower on the refrigerator and or on the cupboard. Okay, see here like this. Children, see, our magnets are on the refrigerator. You can also stick like this on in your house. So our flower magnet is ready. See children, teacher has made with the colorful papers this. See here. And you can stick on the fridge, you can stick on the wall, and you can decorate. So you have learned today the colors of the flag: red, white and green. Children, do this activity and enjoy. It will be fun for you and you will show your creativity. Okay children? Teacher will come next time with more excited topics. Till then, bye. Happy Independence Day. Children, Happy Independence Day. Enjoy the day. Bye. See you soon.